solve 8 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 56 minus 4 raised to power 26 divided by 30. All right, we want to look for the value of x. All right, now this is actually indices, and in this case, most times what we try to do is just to look out for a way we can get the bases to be equal. We can actually make this number to base 2. This is already in base 2. We can actually make this to base 2, but this is not possible. All right, so what we'll do is to focus on this, to simplify this part of the equation, then before we'll come back to this. And in doing this, what we have to do first is to see that we have the same base at the numerator. So we have 8x is equal to what? 2 raised to power what? 56. That's this. Minus, we'll convert this to what? So that this one will be in base 2. That's 2 raised to power 2 in bracket raised to power what? 26 divided by 30. Okay, now in this case we have to multiply the powers. So if we multiply the powers, we have 8x is equal to 2 raised to power what? 56. That is this, minus 2 raised to power 2 times 26. 2 times 6, 12. You put 2, put down 2, you carry 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus this one, which is 5, 52. All right, all over what? 30. Okay, now at this stage, we can actually factorize this numerator. Now, if you have something like this, let's say x raised to power 10 minus x raised to power 5. All right, so if you want to factorize this, you always go for what? For the lowest or the smaller power. All right, to factorize this, you have what? X raised to power 5, which is the smaller power. Then this x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 10 divided by x raised to the power 5 will give you what? X raised to the power 5 minus, and this becomes 1, because when you use x raised to the power 5 to divide x raised to the power 5, you get 1. All right, so we use this method to apply to this. All right, so if we apply that, they have the same base, so we can factorize. Okay, so now we have 8x is equal to what? This is the smaller power. So we'll take this first. If we're factorizing, then we have 2 raised to the power 52. Okay, open the bracket. Now, if you use 2 raised to the power 52 to divide 2 raised to the power what? 56. All right, it's just for you to subtract the power according to the division law of indices. So when you subtract 56 minus 52, you have what? You have 4. All right, which is 2 raised to the power 4 minus what? 2 raised to the power 52 divided by 2 raised to the power 52 is what? Is 1 all over 30. All right, so at this level, if you have any question, please, if anything is not clear here, please just ask your question on the comment section. Okay, I'll come back to it. Now at this level, we can actually work on what we have in the bracket. So we have 8x is equal to 2 raised to the power 52. Okay, 2 raised to the power 4 is what? 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16. Then 16 minus 1 is what? 15. So this is 15 in the bracket divided by what? 30. All right, so 15 can actually divide 30. So 15 here 1, 15 here what? 2. So this 15 is out. So we have 8 raised to the power x is equal to 2 raised to the power 52 over what? Over 2. Okay, now with this we have, let's just rewrite this. So therefore we have 2 raised to 8 raised to the power x is equal to what? 2 raised to the power 52 divided by what? 2 raised to the power 1. All right, and in the division law of indices, when we have the same base, we'll subtract the power. So in subtracting the power, we have 8 raised to the power x is equal to 2. You take one of the 2, then 52 minus 1 is what? Raised to the power 51. All right, now we can see we have base 2 here, and 8 can be converted to what? To base 2. If we convert 8 to base 2, we continue from here. If we convert 8 to base 2, we have 2 raised to power 3. That is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. In bracket x, this x is equal to what? 2 raised to power what? 51. So we'll multiply the brackets, the powers, sorry, we'll multiply the powers. That's 3 times x. So we have what? 2 raised to power 3x is equal to 2 raised to power what? 51. All right. So we have the same base. We'll cancel out the base and equate the power. That is 3x is equal to 51. Now to look for the value of x, divide both sides by 3. And when you divide both sides by 3, 3 will cancel 3. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 51 is what? 17. So therefore, the value of x is equal to what? 17. And this is our final answer. All right. I hope this is well understood. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you look forward to seeing more of my videos. Please, if there's anything that is not clear here, leave your question on the comment section below and I'll come back to it. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye for now.